Solar just got a whole lot simpler with the EZ1 plug-and-play solution. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for smarter, more connected energy. Ideal for do-it-yourself setups, no complex installation required. Perfect for modern living spaces like balconies, patios, and small outdoor areas. And flexible enough for on-grid solar applications at home. One EZ1 powers 2 panels, or connect 2 EZ1s for even more production. And the best part? Just plug it into a standard wall outlet. There's no complicated setup, just connect it to your phone with the APsystems app in minutes. And here's the part most people don't realize. The energy you produce gets used right inside your home first. It helps power what's already running, like your fridge, lights, and Wi-Fi, so you pull less from the grid and start saving. With dual MPPT inputs, high power support, built-in safety protection, and integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it's engineered for reliable, high-performance energy right out of the box. Track your solar production in real time, anytime, from anywhere. APsystems EZ1. You're the boss. Stop paying for the sun and plug it in. Available now.